Hi, and welcome back. In this video, we're going to be analyzing the equation of an ellipse not centered at the origin, using the completing the square strategy. Let's analyze the equation 4x squared plus y squared minus 8x plus 4y plus 4 equals 0. We'll begin by subtracting 4 from both sides. Next, we'll rearrange our x terms and our y terms on the left-hand side so that they're grouped together. Then, we'll factor out the GCF of 4 from our x terms. Now, we'll find the new constant that completes the square on x and y, using the formula b divided by 2 squared. We'll add these new constants to both sides of the equation, but keep in mind, since we factored out 4 from our x variables, on the right-hand side we'll have to add 4 times 1. So it will look like this. Here, where this 4 is 1 times 4. Next, we factor the perfect square trinomials that we created, and we simplify the right-hand side. Then, to finish generating the equation of an ellipse, we're going to divide 4 across all terms, and this gives us x minus 1 squared plus y plus 2 over 4 equals 1. I can see here that the center of my ellipse is 1, negative 2, which corresponds with hk. And because the larger denominator is below the y variables, I know that my major axis is parallel to y. A squared, our larger denominator, equals 4, so a equals 2. B squared, our smaller denominator, equals 1, therefore b equals 1. Using our formula c squared equals a squared minus b squared, we see that c squared equals 4 minus 1, or c squared equals 3. This means that c equals plus or minus the square root of 3. Our vertices are at h and k plus or minus a, which gives us 1, 0, and 1, negative 4. Our foci are h, k plus or minus c, and that means that our foci in this case are located at 1, comma, negative 2 plus or minus the square root of 3. Graphing our ellipse, we see that we have our center at 1, negative 2. We have vertices at 1, 0, and 1, negative 4. Our foci are at 1 for the x-coordinate, and the y-coordinate is negative 2 plus square root of 3. Our second focus is at 1 for the x-coordinate, and then y is negative 2 minus the square root of 3. We have additional points at 0, negative 2, and 2, negative 2. Now we sketch our ellipse, and we have our graph. This concludes our example. We'll see you next time.